Hello everyone and welcome back to MLElectronics YouTube channel. This time I will show you how to replace the battery from an Apple iPad Pro 9.7 inch. All the tools used are in the description below. For this task, we are using a heating gun at low temperatures. Heat the front sides of the screen. Once the heating has been complete, use a suction cup on the side to lift the front screen. In between, insert a triangle picker tool and cut the adhesive around. Some isopropyl alcohol will help you to speed up this process. Be patient, it might take a while, and we are always aiming to don't destroy anything that works for our gadget customers. After cutting the inside adhesive of your screen, it is better to inspect the screen image and responses to the touch. Just look for any damage around it. Next, take out the metal shield by removing 3 screws and then disconnect all 3 flex connectors plugs. Now, the LCD unit can leave the main tablet body. Next, take out the black metal shield on the logic board by undoing 11 screws. Unscrew the one screw from the battery connector. Peel the middle tape of the battery and remove the one screw. The small metal shield and then disconnect the flex connector plug. If your iPad has a SIM tray, please remove it now. Use a flat battery plastic tool and add some isopropyl alcohol to remove the adhesive under the battery. Now, use the pry tool to lift the motherboard, so you can remove the old battery without damaging anything. Next, disconnect the wireless antenna so you can use again the pry tool and a bit of isopropyl alcohol to lift the motherboard. The battery connectors from this battery have a hole in the middle where the screws goes in. That's why it is necessary to lift the iPad motherboard. Reconnect the Wi-Fi antenna cable to the motherboard. Screw back the screw from the battery connector. Reconnect again the LCD screen flex cables to double check if the new battery works fine. Peel the protective plastic and the middle battery tape so you can reconnect the smart battery connector. Double check if the new battery works fine. Next, press on the new battery to ensure that the adhesive does its job. Disconnect the LCD screen flex cables. It's time to remove the old adhesive around the iPad body and from the LCD screen. Apply a new adhesive set. Reconnect 3 LCD flex cables and double check if the connectors are right connected. Mount back the LCD metal shield and screw its 3 screws. Do almost the same with the tiny metal shield from the smart battery connector, so place it back and screw the small metal shield back. Next, mount the long metal shield on the iPad's motherboard and then secure its 11 screws. Make the last check of the iPad and press firmly on the sides of it to make the LCD screen adhesive work. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.